Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and this here is the rolling Cheetah boom. I'm unpacking it right now, but I figured I'd make this little short video about the wheels. So when you get this system, it'll come with these little black covers on here. You want to make sure you remove these little black covers. Not needed anywhere down the line unless you want to repack it. What you do is you want to unlock this lock on this wheel, so this wheel does not spin and does not rotate, because that's going to be one of the most important things when you go to twist this in, because if the lock was disengaged, this thing's just going to spin around and around, and it's not going to screw itself in. But once you engage the lock, you can screw it right in. Now if you have a wheel that does not have the lock, I think my rolling pistol doesn't have, well, no, it has locks on all of them too. But I do have some that do not have the little locks. One of them locks, but the rest of them don't. What you can do is you can actually take a pair of pliers or channel locks and lock onto here, and you can actually just spin it right around and lock the system into place. Again, this is the rolling Cheetah boom. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.